Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. This is your general love reading for the month of March. Okay, for the month of March 2021, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. This is the general love messages, okay, for the month of March 2021. So this is not going to resonate with each of you, so take whatever is resonating. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for the month of 2021 March. Let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. And while doing meditation also, I was getting the card of Ace of Cups. See, I can show you my other deck which I will use in the extended here. Bottom of the deck here also I'm having Ace of Cups. Okay, some kind of a cup. Ace of Cup is a cup which is full of emotions. Okay, emotional fulfillment is coming for you, Aquarius. A cup which is full of all emotions. So someone is going to offer you a cup which is full of emotions here. Let's see what are the messages. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for the Aquarius for the month of March 2021? Give me the messages. Wow. 8 of Wands. Communication. Lot of communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius. Wow. Oh, wow. Someone is unable to sleep at night, Aquarius, okay? There is someone who cannot sleep at night. There is Queen of Wands, Six of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Fool card here. Beautiful energy is here in today's reading. The energy is very much beautiful. Bottom of the deck I'm having Four of Wands. This is the 1111 card, your twin flame card or soulmate card, whatever you can call it. Okay, so yes, someone wants to offer you the cup which is full of emotions. There is a lot of communications which is coming for you, Aquarius. There is someone around you who cannot sleep at night. They are spending sleepless nights. They cannot sleep at night, and they see you as someone who is very passionate, very attractive, very creative, mysterious. Queen of Wands is here. They see you as someone who is very, independent. That's the word I'm getting here, because Queen of Wands is someone who is having very kind of, independent, free spirit. Okay, who is having a lot of creativity, passionate, attractive, mysterious, because there is a cat here, black cat. So they see you as very mysterious, very passionate, and they want to give you equal amount of give and take here. Six of Pentacles. They want to start a new beginning with you. Okay, this is your Lovers here. Can you see the Fool card? And this can be your twin flame here, but use your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, the High Priestess and the Four of Wands is here. See the World card, the Two of Swords, and the Six of Cups is here. Yeah, right. So some kind of cycle is coming. Someone from the past is coming for you, and this is also a soulmate card. But they were unable to make a decision in the past. They were unable to make a decision, but now they are making a decision, Aquarius. That's why the World card is here. Okay, so there is someone in your from your past who is coming back. Wow, it wants to come out. The Emperor. The Emperor wants to come out. Here I'm going to take this card. Right now they're feeling like an hangman, okay? They cannot move in a forward direction. They're working so hard here to approach you, okay? Because you ignite the passion in them. Okay, you ignite the passion in them and you are very defensive here, the Seven of Wands. You are protecting your energy. Your guards are not down. You're protecting your energy. Here they want to give you Two of Cups. Beautiful energy is here. So yes, in the extended I'm going to take these cards, but use your intuitions because right now you are very intuitive, Aquarius. So use your intuitions. But this is very beautiful energy which I can see right now here. Someone is someone is having sleepless nights, and why I'm laughing, because they want to give you a cup which is full of emotions, okay? This Ace of Cups is coming in your reading after a long period of time. There is a lot of communication which is coming towards you, Aquarius, through social media apps, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, but communication is coming towards you. They want to communicate with you because they can't sleep at night. They're spending sleepless nights. They see you as very independent, charming, passionate, attractive, mysterious woman or men, okay? Gender is not specific. You can take according to you, okay? But this is you, Aquarius. And they want to give you equal amount of give and take. Here, Six of Pentacles. They want to give you balance, okay? They want to start a new beginning here. They want to take a leap of faith with you, Aquarius. They want to take a leap of faith with you here. And they are the lovers, the love of your life here, and they are rising as an Emperor. They are the Emperor. This is someone who is very authoritative, okay? Fatherly figure. The Emperor is someone, maybe there is an age gap between you and them, but they see you as someone who is, you know, who knows how to govern their kingdom. Basically they are the Emperor here. So this was your energy for the month of March 2021. In the extended I'm going to clarify these cards so that I can get you more messages, okay, Aquarius? But beautiful things are coming for you. They want to take a leap of faith with you. See, the Lovers. This is the lover, the twin flame, the soulmate, which I can see here. Because 1111 card, see again the Hangman. Right now they are feeling like an hangman. That's why they cannot sleep at night. They want to approach you, Aquarius, but they don't know how to approach you. They don't know how to approach you. They're feeling like an hangman. They're spending sleepless nights. They want to give you beautiful things, okay? So let's see what are the messages. They're gaining the strength here. They're gaining the strength and confidence to approach you, Aquarius, okay? So let's see what are the messages for this reading. Help me out to deliver the messages. See the Chariot. But don't worry, they will be moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Right now they're feeling like an hangman, but they will move in a forward direction. The Chariot is here. They want to move forward towards you. The Star card is here. Okay, they want to move in a forward direction with you. Here the Chariot is here because you are giving the new hopes, new desire. The Star card is here. They want to move in a forward direction. They know what is white and what is black, okay, because they are using the intuitions. Wow, this Emperor is using the intuitions. High Priestess, and here I'm having the Emperor. 0909 was the recording reading time. They are manifesting you, Aquarius. They're manifesting the new beginnings here. They know how to manifest. They are using their intuitions. They are manifesting you, basically. The Emperor. The Emperor and the Emperor. This Emperor is using the intuitions, basically. They are intuitions. They are intuitive. Maybe that's why this is the twin flame 1111 card. The Four of Wands here. Yeah, right. They're keeping the temperance or you have to keep the temperance, the patience with you, Aquarius. Right now you are in a hermit mode, you are doing your soul searching, you are working on yourself, you are looking answers from within yourself, Aquarius. Any other message? Wow. See, bottom of the deck again I'm having the Lovers. The Lovers. Again the World card is here. You're completing a cycle with this person, and here I'm having the Empress. You are rising as an Empress. I told you this is your divine counterpart, your twin flame. This is 1111 card, your twin flame here. Okay. So yes, you are rising as an Empress here. This is your divine counterpart. They are going to move in a forward direction with you, Aquarius. This is your Lovers, the love of your life here. So beautiful messages. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. Let's see what are the signs which Aquarius can be dealing with. They can be a Scorpio here. Okay. They can be a Cancer. Okay. Any other sign? They can be an Aquarius. Aquarius, you can dealing with an Aquarius. There is Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio. Any other sign? There is a Sagittarius here. There is Aries. Okay. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay. Any other sign? Gemini. Bottom of the deck I'm having Leo. So Leo can be a possibility. And there is Gemini which wants to come out. So Gemini is there. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with, Aquarius. So these are the signs. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some message from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. Let's see what are the messages for the Aquarius for this reading. What are the messages? Have faith, Aquarius. Okay, have faith in the divine, have faith in the universe, trust the divine plan, because divine is having the best plan for you. And in your general reading also there was the message that trust in the divine plan. Okay, so have faith because beautiful things are coming for you. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? This was coming in by shuffling also. Wisdom. Yes, lots of wisdom is coming for you, Aquarius. And bottom of the deck I'm having rejection, destiny. Okay, so they're feeling they're feeling that you will reject them. That's why they are feeling like an hangman. They're spending sleepless nights because they're thinking that Aquarius are going to reject them. But this is something which is written in your destiny, Aquarius. Okay, this is something which is written in your destiny here. So this is the message from this deck. Have faith. Lot of wisdom is coming for you, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some message from Everyday Miracle deck. One or two message. What are the message which I want to deliver? There are two message. See, I just tell you this, that there is no will but God's will. Have trust in the divine plan. Okay, so beautiful message. The same message is here, that you need to have faith, trust in the divine plan here. There is no will but there is God will. There is a divine plan which is playing in your life. Okay, have trust in the divine, because divine has a beautiful plan. I just told you, and the message is here that there is no will but the God's will. Beautiful message. And I am entrusted with the gifts of God. You can wait, delay, paralyze yourself, or reduce your creativity almost to nothing, but you cannot abolish it. So you have to trust your beautiful gifts which divine has given you, Aquarius. Okay, trust with the gifts of God. Okay, beautiful messages. Use your creativity. I always tell you, use your passion, use your gifts which you are having inside of you, Aquarius. Okay, so thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Many of you can be having a Kundli awakening here. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Buddhi. What are the messages? 1 minute. What are the messages? Too many messages. Give me one more message. So two message has been come for you, Buddhi and the Durga. These two messages has been come for you. Let me read it out for you from the book. See, I told you lot of wisdom is coming for you, Aquarius. Lot of wisdom is coming for you, and that's the meaning of Buddhi. Okay, lot of wisdom is coming for you here. Inner wisdom and intellectual. Okay, wise one, you are now remembering what you were born with, all the answers that you are seeking. You have realized life is not about learning but rather relearning, letting go of the illusion so we can remember our initiate solutions. You have silenced the chattering of the mind to allow the whispers of the soul to speak, and now beginning to truly read the vast textbooks that exist inside you. This is the time to rewrite your story, authored by the great wisdom of your soul, Buddhi. So, inner wisdom is here. Lot of wisdom is coming towards you because you are now learned that you have to relearn yourself. So, beautiful message is here. Let me read it out, Durga. This is very powerful message which I am getting for you, Aquarius. Okay, again the same message is here. This is the goddess of inner strength and protection. You are exhibiting great strength in the face of things that would make others, including former versions of yourself, crumble. Durga, the warrior goddess, is with you, carrying her bow and arrow, sword, trident, lotus, thunderbolt, golden discus, and couch. You are embodying her fierce strength and loving protection. You have overcome major hardships with your willpower and will continue to leap over any challenges that confront you. Call upon Durga Ma whenever you need an extra ounce of strength. Beautiful message. So Goddess Durga is with you, Aquarius. You are having the blessings of Goddess Durga, or which is the goddess of inner strength and protection, because you have faced the beautiful things in your life, okay, with your willpower and beautiful strength. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the activation oracle deck. Let's add one or two message. What are the message? See, I told you. Thought chakra and passion. Use your passion, Aquarius, and some of you are working on your passions, and the thought chakra is being activated here. So a lot of you are activating the thought chakra, and if you are not working it, that means you have to work on your thought chakra here. But the thing see, there is some many of you, Aquarius, there is an activation of thought chakra is happening, and many of you have to work on your thought chakra. Okay, the frequency of thought chakra, the blue flower of life, supports our self expression and our sense of peace and balance. So beautiful message here. Then there is passion here. The frequency of passion reminds us that beneath every intense emotions lies the hidden gem of insight, balance, and calm. It assists us in finding the balance within this intensity, moving us from chaos to the calm of its core, where we can let its long-lasting wisdom fills up it. So beautiful messages from this deck, that passion and thought chakra is the message. So this was your reading. This was your love reading. Let me add some message from the angels. Let me see what are the messages for Aquarius. High Priestess. See, I told you. I told you, harness mystic powers. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. You are right now very much intuitive, okay? So use your intuitions. And can you see? There is a black cat here in this picture, and here I'm having the Queen of Wands, black cat, same. So you are having beautiful high power, high intuitions, harness mystic power inside of you, Aquarius. You are you are very much intuitive right now, and that's why this person, whoever this person is from your past, the Emperor, they see you as someone who is very mysterious, very attractive, because they can see you here. Let me add some more message from the angels and ancestors. Any other message for Aquarius? Too many message. Any other message? She wolf, unleash the wild within. Unleash the wild within here. And there is wise one, grow within your current situation, Aquarius. See, again the owl is here. Grow within your current situations, okay? Grow within your current situations, because you are having a lot of wisdom inside of you. So use that knowledge, grow that knowledge, grow from that knowledge, learn from your experiences, and you have already learned a lot of things in your life. Use your knowledge, use your intuitions. But someone from your past is coming back towards you. They want to give you beautiful Ace of Cups here. So this was your general love reading for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. In the extended, I am going to take these cards and will tell you more about these cards, okay? If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of light, healing energy and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.